In this lesson, we'll go through 4 beginner-friendly projects that will help you practice what you've learned and strengthen your skills. Let's begin. First up is the To-Do List app. This is a classic beginner project that teaches you how to add, edit, and delete tasks, store them in local storage, and dynamically update the user interface. You'll learn how to work with arrays, handle form inputs, and use event listeners to make your app interactive. It's also a great introduction to DOM manipulation and local storage. Next, we have the calculator. Everyone's built one, and for a good reason. This project helps you practice handling user inputs, performing arithmetic operations, and updating the screen in real time. You'll use conditional logic, switch cases, and string manipulation. By the end, you'll have a fully functional calculator that looks and feels like a real one. Third is the Stopwatch. This one teaches you how to use JavaScript's timing functions, like setInterval and clearInterval. You'll build a start, stop, and reset functionality and display the time on screen with precise formatting. This project sharpens your understanding of how JavaScript handles time and asynchronous events. And finally, the Weather app, a step up in complexity because it involves working with APIs. You'll use the Fetch API to get real-time weather data from an external source like OpenWeatherMap. Then, you'll learn how to handle API responses, extract data from JSON, and display the weather information dynamically on the screen. This project gives you hands-on experience with asynchronous JavaScript, error handling, and integrating third-party data. These small projects might seem simple, but they're powerful building blocks. Each one teaches you a different aspect of JavaScript, from working with the DOM to handling events and making network requests. Once you've built these, you'll feel more confident writing your own JavaScript apps from scratch. So, keep coding, stay curious, and I'll see you in the next video.